Once upon a time, there was a land where nothing but sand stretched as far as the eye could see, a place where the sun blazed relentlessly and the wind whispered the stories of ancient nomads. This place was called Dubai. In the mid-1900s, Dubai was nothing more than a small fishing village, nestled on the shores of the Arabian Gulf. A modest place with no skyscrapers, no luxury cars, no glittering shopping malls, just a few homes, a dusty marketplace, and people who lived off the sea. The people of Dubai, simple in their ways, lived a life that revolved around fishing, pearling, and trade. Yet, the vision of its leaders was bigger than the waves that crashed on its shores. In 1966, Dubai was still a humble town, a blank canvas of potential. But then, something changed. Beneath the endless desert, a treasure was found: oil. It was the catalyst for the most extraordinary transformation the world has ever witnessed. With the discovery of oil, Dubai's leaders, led by Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum, saw an opportunity, not just to build a city, but to create a global hub. A vision that extended beyond the sands, beyond the limits of the desert, beyond the expectations of the world. The 80s saw the birth of Dubai's skyline, a city that grew upward, defying the limits of imagination. But it wasn't just about oil. It was about vision. Dubai's transformation was not just in its buildings, but in its very essence. A city of innovation, wealth, and luxury. Fast forward to the 21st century, and Dubai became a name synonymous with extravagance. The Burj Al Arab, the world's only 7-star hotel. The Palm Jumeirah, an island shaped like a palm tree, created from scratch. The tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, reaching for the sky, a beacon of Dubai's unyielding ambition. In 2025, Dubai is a futuristic marvel. The streets hum with the sound of self-driving cars, the air is filled with drones delivering packages, and smart technologies are seamlessly integrated into everyday life. Dubai isn't just keeping up with the future, it's creating it. From a simple fishing village to the epitome of luxury, technology, and innovation, Dubai has rewritten the rulebook of success. A city that was once a dream now stands as a reality, a symbol of what can be achieved with vision, determination, and the courage to defy the impossible. This is Dubai, a place where anything is possible, where dreams are made real, and where the journey from nothing to everything is only just beginning. And the best part, the story is far from over. If you want to see more stories like this, stories of transformation, ambition, and the power of vision, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join the journey, and let's explore the impossible together.